If your arteries are clogged, your body sends warnings: fatigue, chest tightness, slow circulation, cold feet, and most people ignore them. But here's the good news. Certain foods act like natural scrubbers, helping reduce plaque, lower bad cholesterol, improve circulation, and support heart health. Today I'll show you 10 powerful foods that help clean your arteries fast. And stay with me till the end, because food number 1 is the most powerful yet the most ignored. Hi everyone, welcome back to Aneya Healthy Living, your space for natural wellness, smart nutrition, and daily habits that keep you active, healthy, and happy. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Arteries get clogged because of inflammation, oxidative stress, excess LDL cholesterol, and eating the wrong foods. The plaque buildup restricts blood flow over time, which is why heart disease remains the world's #1 killer. But the right foods can reduce inflammation, dissolve bad cholesterol, strengthen artery walls, and even improve nitric oxide for better circulation. The 10 foods that clean your arteries fast. Food number 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a special soluble fiber that binds to LDL cholesterol and flushes it out of your body. Just 1 cup of oatmeal in the morning can lower cholesterol levels in weeks. Add blueberries, chia seeds, and cinnamon for an even stronger artery cleansing effect. Food number 9. Avocados. Healthy fats that heal. Avocados help increase your HDL, the good cholesterol that clears plaque from your arteries. They're rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that reduce artery inflammation. Try half an avocado on toast or sliced into salads daily. Food number 8. Berries. Antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all rich in anthocyanins. These antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and plaque buildup. Enjoy a cup of berries in smoothies, oatmeal, or as a snack. Food number 7. Garlic. Nature's blood cleaner. When you crush garlic, it creates allicin, a compound proven to lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and support cleaner arteries. Tip: crush and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate the allicin. Before we proceed, please let us know where you are watching us from. Food number 6. Fatty fish. Omega-3. Anti-plaque protection. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s. These fatty acids reduce triglycerides, decrease plaque buildup, and lower inflammation, the #1 cause of artery damage. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Food number 5. Extra virgin olive oil, Mediterranean gold. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its heart-protecting benefits. And olive oil is a significant contributor to this effect. Its polyphenols reduce oxidative damage within the arteries, helping blood flow more efficiently. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily on salads or cooked vegetables. Food number 4. Leafy greens, natural nitric oxide boosters. Spinach, kale, and arugula turn into nitric oxide in your body, a molecule that relaxes arteries and improves circulation. More nitric oxide means lower blood pressure and less plaque. Enjoy them in salads, omelets, or smoothies. Food number 3. Pomegranate. Artery-cleaning antioxidants. Pomegranate contains punicalagin, one of the most potent antioxidants in the world. It reduces plaque, increases nitric oxide, and protects artery walls from damage. Try 1 cup of seeds or a small glass of 100% juice daily. Food number 2. Nuts. Healthy fats. Plus, vitamin E. Walnuts, almonds, and pistachios strengthen your arteries by lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL. They also provide vitamin E, which protects blood vessels. A small handful daily is enough. Food number 1. Turmeric. The #1 inflammation fighter. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, fights inflammation, the root cause of artery plaque. It also improves blood flow and protects artery walls. Add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or drink it as golden milk. Always combine it with black pepper for better absorption. Bonus: artery cleaning plate method. Half the plate, vegetables, quarter, whole grains, quarter, lean protein, plus a source of healthy fats. This simple method naturally reduces inflammation and improves overall heart health. Foods to avoid: these foods inflame arteries and make plaque worse. Trans fats, processed meats, sugary drinks, fast foods, packaged snacks. Which of these artery-cleaning foods do you already eat? Comment below and let me know. And if you'd like a comprehensive meal plan designed to clean your arteries, write yes, and I'll create one for you. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.